Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to check out the February Allure Beauty Box together. If you are not familiar with Allure, it is a monthly beauty subscription put out by the Allure magazine, beauty editors. You will get the best of beauty in their opinion. You will get a lot of things that you can try that maybe you haven't tried before. You do get to pick sometimes one of the products in there. We did get to pick one in here. You will have a mix of full-size products and deluxe travel sizes, sample sizes, things like that. There should be 5 products minimum per box. And let's dive in and see what this one holds for us. Before we do get into this one though, I'd love for you guys, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. If you like this video and want to see more like it, hit the like button for me. Leave me some comments or what your favorite products are that are in here and what you like best about Allure or don't like at all about Allure. I'd love to know your feedback. But for this box, let's take a peek. Okay, so we got our little piece of tissue paper. I'm doing better about not dumping all the paper out every time. We got our pamphlets, and you get a quick peek at what's inside here. I think I have 2 of the same thing now. No, I don't. Okay, good. All right, so this is our Allure pamphlet, and they actually do have a K-Beauty limited edition you can purchase if you want to get that. It is $79 if you're a member of Allure, if you have a subscription. Otherwise, it's $129. But it does have a lot of nice products. K-Beauty is a great option, including Glow Recipe and brands that you might not have realized are K-Beauty are. Our little booklet here will tell us the products and what their value is and if they're full size and all that fun stuff. The first thing I'm going to show you is our pick. We got to choose this month. It was a perfume, a solid perfume by Cydia, and I've never heard of that brand. So we got to pick from 2 fragrance sets. Mine is the leather and vanilla fragrance, and it is the scent Braless, and it is a pretty chunky thing. It's got some weight to it. It's actually 0.13 of an ounce, so it seems like it's going to be heavier feeling than it might actually be. There we go. All right, so, oh, all of that for this dinky little thing? Okay, look. I'm sorry. This package is overkill. So this is the package. It comes in there, and this is literally it. Now it won't come out after it just fell out. This is all that's in here. This. I guess they needed to take up shelf space. But this is heavy. This feels metal. And this, again, should be leather and vanilla. I don't know what I'm going to think about leather. I do not like it. Yeah, this one's going to find a new home. But this was our choice pick. And of the 2 fragrances, this was the best of the 2 options. So that's the one I picked. So that was our pick. Not a big fan. But I will tell you, these are full size and they're $48 each value. So this one product doubles the cost of our box, which that's okay. Let's see what else we got. So the next thing we got is Propolis Lip Serum. CNP, never heard of this brand. And it looks like it hangs on a peg. It's whatever store they put it in. And this one is the CNP Laboratory Propolis Lip Serum. This is the full size for $17.90, 0.15. It says, don't be intimidated by this balm's thick texture. It melts down like a butter the second it hits your lips. And while we don't recommend eating it, the ingredient list is delicious, earthy, antioxidant rich manuka honey, and anti-inflammatory resin like propolis extract lead the moisture packed list. So you just twist the bottom of the package to get it out and dispense your desired dollop. So this is probably like, I have a P. Louise one that comes just out of a hole in the middle. I don't like that kind of lip balm because if you over-click it and you get more than you can use, which I do every stinking time, you either have to not put the lid on it or waste that amount of product. So unless this is a lot more controllable than the P. Louise one, I don't know. I am really picky about the lip balms I use, so I may try it. I don't know, but let's look at the container. So this packaging is plastic. It's not cardboard at all. So this is what it looks like, and this will be just I'm not going to do it in case I'm not the one that uses it, but you take the top off and twist the bottom, and you get your lip balm out of there. So I don't know. We will look into this one further and determine our opinion on that one later. Okay, next we got Cuccio Roll-On Cuticle Oil. And this is... Alright, again, another brand I have never heard of, which is unusual for Allure to have a bunch of brands that I am not familiar with. But this is Cuccio Naturel Cuticle Oil with Milk and Honey. This is full size, a whopping $5.69 for this one. This says, it's a mess-free cuticle oil, easy to use, portable roller ball, is filled to the brim with moisturizing milk and nourishing honey to keep dry hands hydrated long after you apply. And I do get janky looking cuticles, so we'll see how that one works, but that's a nice one. Let's see what the roll-on looks like. Oh, okay. So you get a little bottle. It looks like a little roll-on lip gloss like we've seen before, but you just roll it on your cuticles. It does have a nice smell. I do like the smell of it. Okay, so there's 3 more things in here. Our next one is from Yuzo, and this is a black liquid eyeliner, and this is cellophane wrap, so I'm just going to leave it sealed up. But we have a black liquid eyeliner. This, I think, has a picture of it, but it's liquid eyeliner, so they all look the same. This is a full size, $24. That's what the applicator looks like. So a good gel eyeliner is a great one. It's another thing you don't want to open until you're ready to use it because it can dry out. And I got one, if you guys saw a few boxes ago, and it might have been Allure, a Seraphine Botanicals liquid gel eyeliner. I love it. It's great. So I won't be opening this one quite yet, but we did get this one, and again, a $24 value. Our next thing is a little sample of... I'm going to pull it up because I can't read enough of it. Okay, so this is Sephora. You guys know my opinion about getting Sephora samples in boxes. It's like a throwaway. So this is a Sephora Collection Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. So this one, if you use liquid eyeliner, sparkly shadow, sweat-proof mascara, choose your opponent, then wipe it out with this dual phase formula. Has corn flour extract, castor oil. It soothes and moisturizes lids and lashes while silky silicones help obliterate stubborn makeup. And this would be a full size at 200 milliliters for $18. I will say I'm going to try this because my sister and I both used the Clinique Wash the Day Off or something. I don't remember, but it's the one in the purple bottle. It's the only one that we have found that gets eye makeup off without burning your eyes. So I will give this one a try. It's a lot cheaper than the Clinique. So if it does work and it doesn't burn my eyes, it may be when I switch. So maybe I'm not mad at a Sephora sample. We'll see. All right, the last thing in here, we got First Aid Beauty Bronze Glow Drops. So I did not know First Aid Beauty did bronze glow drops, but they do. And this is the full size for $28. This is a 30 mil size. So winter winds got you down. Fake a vacation glow with this single serum loaded with soothing niacinamide, glimmering micro pearls, and the result is a more subtle sheen than off-season sun-kissed. If that's what you're going for, but it is buildable. So I guess it's just going to give you a slight bit of glow, but you can add more if you want to. So again, $28 for this one. So we well got our value for this box. Let's recap our products with you. And I think we got, maybe the Sephora thing was kind of a bonus because we actually got 6. So we got our perfume that we picked that I don't like. We got our cuticle oil. We got our lip balm. We got our First Aid Beauty bronzer. We got our gel eyeliner. And we got our Sephora eye makeup remover. So that was our Allure box for February. Leave me some comments and let me know what your favorite products are. If you've used any of these that I have never heard of before, please give me your feedback and let me know what they're about. I would appreciate it. I appreciate you guys so much for all the comments and feedback that you do leave me. I try to respond to every single comment I get. If I missed you, I'm so sorry. It's just because I didn't know you were there. But continue to leave me the comments. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you did like the video, hit like. Talk to you later. Bye.